See the casing pipe unloaded to the side. First we have to check it up how many length is there in the side. Then we can minus what is the balance is there. What we need, we have taken heavy pipe. What is going back to the other side, normal pipe. So what is the next step? The rod, everything inside in the borewell, we have to remove one by one. After removing that, we have to erect the casing pipe. In the big lorry rig, erecting casing pipe is not that much. It's not that much tough. But in this pipe, see the time is 9:20 now. In this one, Robo one, we have to erect 10 feet only. So 10 feet in the sense, every pipe we have to cut 10 feet. Normally, you see the one pipe length is 5.6 inches there. We are measuring and showing that. So welder person has to come separately. He has to do his duty. Every first casing pipe, the bottom collar will come. Then we have to cut it off 10 feet. Cutting charges will come. Again we have to keep a what you call collar. That also we have to take welding. But this is builder church one. For reducing the collars and welding charges, we done to 20 feet itself be erected, all pipes. So the collar will come less, building pipe will come less. After erecting that, again we have to put the all rods back. After putting the casing pipe, we have to put 6.5 inch bit. So that's called, the borewell name is called 6.5 inch drilling. See, we are removing one by one. Additionally, we are putting 3 feet. You saw the PVC pipe. 2 length already is gone. Again the 3 feet we are erecting it. See, we removed 9 inch bit. Now we are going to put 6.5 inch bit. So 9 inch come to back to the lorry. This will be a normal work. Nothing is new work. But who don't have the knowledge about borewell, for them this is new.
Sir,
Zero knowledge person, when you see my video, this one, he will get full definition of
okay, more
what
than
is
5,
the
6,
borewell work.
5.6. This is 5.
See again
5,
one more
5
we are
inch.
showing the measurement. The rod one is 5.6 is there. The first length is coming out. Bottom one collar, top one collar. How difficult to erect, just see the video. It's not easy. See.
First length.
How they erecting it?
First length going to
It's too much
going
weight.
to erect.
It's not
PVC
normal pipe. This is heavy pipe.
MS pipe.
Everything they are doing manually. In the rig, not like that. With the mission of help, they can do easily erection. They can do. But in the robo is very difficult.
Second pipe is coming
Yes,
inside.
the second pipe is coming. That also going.
Number 2 pipe
Taking
going to erect.
video one step. Second step, recording is second step. Third step is you have to see the video. Hopefully everybody seeing. I am happy about for my subscribers. Welcome to new seeing the video persons. The Kamsar car is going on. Is the
The
party,
same second pipe is going inside.
is a customer, is also taking each and casing pipe photos. Please
Third
keep on
pipe
watching.
ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
I
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
am taken
Third pipe.
all pipes. Welding is going on. How they erecting, what way they are doing it, just see. If it is borewell is clear, it will go. If it is borewell is facing problem, it won't go. So you have to erect 5 feet, 5 feet, 5
Fourth
feet.
pipe is coming now.
If we do 5 feet, 5 feet, that much of welding will come, that much of collar will come, that much of strain will come, that much of time will come.
Fourth pipe is erecting.
God grace, that done nice prayer. We done the work very nicely. Casing pipe went everything. No problem with that. You yourself just see the video. I will give the explanation next video.
Fifth length is coming. This is the fifth length. Fifth pipe. Bakaranga. Sixth pipe is coming inside. Sixth pipe is going now. Sixth pipe.
बड़ा ले लो अरे पाइप ले जा अरे का आजा रे छोटे
Sixth casing pipe nicely bent. This is seventh pipe. This pipe won't go fully.
Hopefully you will understand. Just they are erecting all casing pipe. Everything they are mentioning it, they are doing it.
The seventh pipe they have to cut it. The balance will be, we have to see how much is gone.
टेप लेके
We cut the pipe. So we have to measure this one. The balance will be gone.
टेप इधर आया पाइप
எவ்வளோ இருக்கு?
11
பதினொன்றையா? சரி. How much, sir? Sir, 5.6, correct? All right.
See, the time is 11:45. We erected, we drilled we erected all pipes. Then we start to drill. Suddenly, the owner came. He find out some mistake in raising the borewell. So we are removing everything. We have to check that whether any problem with the hammer. That's the reason they are removing it. Hopefully, maybe minor. It won't be major. We'll see what will be. I think hammer is going to come. Correct? Yeah, correct. See, we are doing the servicing. 1,000 labor is there, not important. One owner should be there in the field. Again started to do. Insert all rods. Now will be okay. He checked up. So we are continuing the drilling. Hopefully next video you can see water. I think so. Now we are getting the symptoms of water. Red stone, nice stone. We'll see.